Hey folks, this is Casey and I'm One Mellow Marigold. We are back in the room of horrors and I gotta scratch this itch. I have to know what is under the subflooring. We're gonna find out today. Let's go. First things first, we gotta go into the basement and we're gonna see if we can look up through the rafters to see if we see subfloor or if we see hardwood, and if we do, what kind of shape that hardwood might be in. This is horrifying for me because I hate this basement. I hate this basement. You cannot convince me there's not a dead body down there somewhere. Okay, let's just do it. Here we go. I really need to put like a safety handle, like a bar, something. Okay. Woo! All right, here we go. We can do this. It's just that there's so much ick. Okay. What I see above me, this would be the floor. I definitely see wood, right? That's not the same subfloor. That's up on top. I see, oh God, there's so much icky down here. Okay, right? That looks like a hardwood floor, right? Right? Spaces? Oh dear God, this is the fucking worst. This is the worst. Okay. All right, so here is the chimney that goes up into that room. And this is where I thought I had seen warping, but honestly, it doesn't super look like it down here. Oh God. Okay, I gotta go back up. We gotta abort. So next we're gonna take out the vinyl flooring, which honestly is gonna go anyway, even if we decide not to try to do anything with the wood floors. So I have got my handy dandy little wagon here, so I can take, bigger loads and save my arms and backs a little bit, but let's get the vinyl flooring up.
It's a brand new day, hey. Wake up every morning and say, it's a brand new day, hey. Take a good day, make it great, okay. Cause if you got some lemons, make some lemonade, yeah. Taste those clouds away. It's a brand new day, hey. It's a brand new day, it's a brand new day, okay. My whole life got them hand-me-downs, but what that meant was I had my family round.
Okay, we got at least one strip done, and there are 2 clear panels. I'm guessing that's what, 3x8, 4x8, something like that. So I've got my drill on reverse, and I'm gonna come around and see if I can't start taking up some of the screws. We're gonna lift this one first.
And sometimes I can't help but frown. Then I remember what I meant for. It's so simple, I just say, gotta just celebrate. It's gonna be A-okay. Life's too short to waste away. One step at a time's all it takes, okay. It's a brand new day, hey. Wake up every morning and say, it's a brand new day, hey. Take a good day, make it great, okay. Cause if you got some lemons, make some lemonade, yeah. Taste those clouds away. It's a brand new day, hey. It's a brand new day, it's a brand new day. I'm acting brand new, you can tell that bad news, it can go in vain.
Every screw has been taken out. We just gotta lift it up and see what we see. Why do I have like the bad feeling that this is also, like, it's just gonna be another flooring underneath this? Nervous. Okay, I think. Whoops. Oh, okay. Oh, is it glued down too? Oh, Oh my gosh, I'm so nervous. Did I miss another screw? Oh my God. What the hell is this? Oh. Oh, gross. Oh my God. What in the holy hell? This is awful. That I think is actually linoleum. Why there's a weird ass hole right there. Unknown. There's the floor. So whether that doesn't look good. Okay, well, what would have been here? What would have made that shape? A stove? You know what I mean? Is that the glue? Well, okay. Look at that god-awful flooring. Why would you do that? I mean, I'm jumping. It's not creaking. Is that what you expected? It's not what I expected. I mean, holy shit. Holy shit, right? I mean, two cool things are happening. First, we know there's hardwood there. It wasn't taken out. We know it's still holding us up, so that can't be bad. I'm not necessarily surprised there was another layer of flooring there. I kind of wish there wasn't, you know, but it's there. It's god awful. Why was that the style ever? Anyway, I gotta get more information. I have to find out if like the black stuff is mold or if that's just the glue that was used to hold the linoleum down. Hey, it's future Casey sitting here at my little desk editing up this video for you guys to see. And I just wanted to pop in because that black stuff might have made some of you nervous because some of you might know exactly what that is. And now I've got a little bit better of an idea as well. It could be a substance called black mastic, which would have been used at that time to seal the linoleum to the floor. And that could contain asbestos. So before any decisions are made regarding the floor and whether to continue to pull it up, I think I need to have that tested. The good news is I don't got to worry about the floors, really. Walls are my bigger concern right now anyway. So I can easily just replace that subflooring right back down, start on the walls, and learn what I can, see what the test results say, and then make decisions from there. If it's not asbestos, I know it's going to be gross and sticky and icky, but I still think I'm leaning towards pulling all that up and seeing if we can't do something with those floors. I'm also going to give a ringy dingy to my older brother. Hey, Andy, if you're watching, I'm going to be calling you. He works for a flooring company now, and he's had a lot of experience with a lot of different flooring types and has refinished a bunch of floors on his own. So I'm going to pick his brain and get some of his advice as well on what he thinks I should do next. So at least we know what we know. We're a few steps further, and now I'm going to let you go back to past Casey, and she's going to wrap it all up. Okay. If it's just the glue, I want to keep going. I want to keep pulling up this floor because I think now more than ever, I really want to see if we can make these floors work, right? Right. Don't you? Okay, you can tell me. Do I keep going or do I stop, put the subfloor back down and just go on about my business? Okay, you let me know in the comments. Thank you again for all your support. Thanks for joining me on this video. I hope you found it fun. If you have not subscribed yet, boop, hit that little button. And you can see what other kind of nonsense I am up to. I thank you so much. I love your encouragement, and I'm going to talk to you real soon, okay? Bye.